All right, here it is. I got the Motominded headlight, which is basically this 3D printed mount with the Baja Designs. This one is the Squadron Sport headlight. It's a great headlight. It's bright. It has uh, a dimmer. This Motominded sold me their dimmer for this and a switch. And the dimming on this is nice. You're not blinding cars with the low setting. I mean, maybe you can, but it's better than high setting by far. So I like that. And that's basically all there is to see. I'll show you the cockpit here. I've just got that switch. I had to move the kill button over. I could put the wires from that kill button over to this and have that horn button be the kill, but I don't care. Maybe someday I'll get a horn. But high-low, and that's it. Basically, there's my sweet steering stabilizer I just had rebuilt by BRP. Man, they did an exceptional job and quick turnaround. So if you have a Scott's stabilizer, get that thing serviced at BRP. They'll do you right. And we're ready to rock here. This is my KTM 450. We're ready to take it out there, show the world how fun it is. Got our WP suspension. This is a great bike.